Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? Happy New Year's, and I got a little surprise for you guys. Been waiting for it in the mail, and as you know, I don't have a chain adjuster, but yesterday, okay, before I open this, first day of New Year's, January 1st, I got these babies in the mail. Bam! Alright, let's open these bad boys. Bam. Bam. Look at that. That looks pretty quality right there. Oh yeah, look at these quality parts, guys. Look at how thick these things are. These things ain't never gonna break, man, I swear. Alright guys, mission successful. I had some difficulties here and there doing stuff, but at first I was struggling to figure out how these things actually work. So that was my problem at first. Just figuring out how to even get them to fit and go into my swing arm, and I was learning how like they adjust and tighten and all that. So I figured it all out, got it adjusted, put on.